Hey there, you beautiful people, and welcome back for another lesson on Advanced Excel. And today we're going to be talking about sorting, multi-level sorting, custom sorting, and color sort. The file we're using today is the sort filter file under level one. So if you could kindly open that, and under sheet one here, you would I want you to open the first grouping. Press this first plus button right here. And here we have a case. So for exercise one, what you see here is different months of the year and their corresponding amounts. So now the question is, how do I sort this data block? You could sort according to each heading. You could sort by month, you could sort by amount as well. So for month, you could sort maybe alphabetically or according to the from January to December. And amount, you can sort ascending order or descending order. That's smallest to largest and largest to smallest. So first of all, let us select the whole data block. Remember how we do that? Control A. And now that we've selected the whole data block, I want you to come over to the data tab and select sort. And okay, in this dialog box, you would see sort by. What do you want to sort by? So let me sort by amount first of all. And for amount, let me sort according to largest to smallest, right? And when I do that, you see that the whole data block has been reordered according to largest to smallest with the corresponding months. Now, let me sort by month. So select the data block, come over to the data tab and sort. Sort by what? I want to sort by month this time. And with this, you can sort it from A to Z or Z to A. So let me sort A to Z, and you see that it has rearranged this data block according to the months from A to Z. That's why April is first, August, December, and so on. And okay, you could do it Z to A as well, but what if I wanted to sort it according to the months of the year from January to December? So now, Control A, come over to Data tab, come up back to Sort, and um, when you come to Order here, um, you notice there's no preset for January to December here, but if you press the custom list, you would see the default custom list that Excel has provided for you. So it has provided days of the week, both in short form and long form, and months of the year, both in short form and full form. And what we have in our original data block here, we have our months in full form. So I'm going to select the full form of months. And when you select that and you press OK, and you press OK again, our data block has been reorganized according from January to December, right? So we have the two Januaries coming first, then the Marches and Aprils. But on top of this, I might want to add a second level of sorting. Okay, I sorted it according to month, but we have multiple months. So what if I don't only want to sort it according to month, but within each month, I want it to have a particular order. So within each month, I want it from lowest to highest or highest to lowest. So what am I going to do? After I've sorted it according to month, this is what we'll do. Select the data block, come to the data tab to sort. Then you can see there's a first level of sorting according to month, which we've already done. So what you have to do, I want you to add another level. So sort by month, then by what? Then sort by amount. So we're sorting from smallest to largest within each month and press OK. And you can see that it not only sorts according to month, but within each month, the smaller amount comes first. Okay, so that's exercise one. So let's come over to exercise two. And in exercise two, this data set here, it talks about different zones and the corresponding amount, north, west, and east. But what if we want to reorganize this data block according to the news format? When I say news format, I mean north first, east second, west third, south fourth. So what I want you to do is select the data block again, come over to the data tab to sort, then sort. What are we sorting by? We're sorting by zone. Sort by zone, order, come over to the custom list. So there's no preset. Obviously, there's no preset for this. So using the new list option, I want you to come over here to list entries. Then you type out the order you want it from. So I'm just going to type out north, east, um, west, south, and I'm going to add that. So I've added a custom list so that it's always saved here, even if I come back to it later, it's saved here. So now that I've added my custom list, I can press OK. And it's not don't worry, it's not case sensitive, so it doesn't matter if the first letters aren't in capital. So you just press OK, OK again, and as you can see, it has been sorted um, in the news format, north, east, west, and south. So that's that. Then let's come to exercise 3. Okay, and in exercise 3, this is probably used in the HR department where we have the names of different employees with their positions, their designations. So the question is, what if we want to sort them in their order of seniority, maybe director, senior manager, manager, then associate. Okay, so I'm going to copy this format. I'm going to copy this custom list. So um, but I don't want you to just copy the cell. Just click on the cell and copy it with Control C, because Excel won't allow us paste a copied cell. So what I want you to do is actually enter the cell. Double click on it or press F2 to enter the cell. Then copy, then select the text, then copy it. Okay, now we can sort. So I'm going to select the data block, Control A, come back to the data tab, come to sort by what? We are sorting by designation. In what order? A custom order. So I'm going to add the custom order and I can just paste it here. And when I add it, I've added this new custom list. I can press OK, OK again, and you can see it has given us exactly the order we want: director, senior manager, manager, associate. Okay. Um, Excel also allows us to sort by color. So say there are two employees who have been chosen for a particular task, and we highlight, let's fill them yellow. Huber Rick and Scott Dog have been selected maybe to go for a training or something. So how do we sort this data block according to color? Maybe we want the highlighted employees to be on top. So you select the data block, come over to the data tab, sort sort by, it could be either, you could, for this sort by, it could either be designation or name because both of them are filled yellow. So I'm just going to pick name. Sort on what? We've been sorting by cell value since, but this time we're sorting by cell color. Then it asks you what order. So I'm going to select yellow. So what do you want yellow? You want yellow to be on top? Yes, I want yellow to be on top. And I can press OK. And as you can see, it brings the highlighted employees to the top. Okay, so that's it for sheet 1. So let's come over to sheet 2. Okay, so this is another trick that sorting can be used for. So as you can see, we have zones north, east, west, and south with some corresponding amounts. But sometimes you may want um your data to be presented in this manner where there's a space between there's a space after every zone and amount. So, but how do you convert this kind of non-spaced data block to this without having to manually add, let's say, insert a column or something? That would take way too long, especially if the data block is very large. So, how do we convert this to this to this whole data block? So we're going to use sort to help us do this task, and this is how we're going to do it. So you add a new column here, serial number, and I just want you to enter serial numbers here. So and put 1 and 2. Remember how we do our drag down? Select 1 and 2, then we can drag them down, double click or drag them down. So we have 1 to 12 here. So what I want you to do, I want you to copy this 1 to 12 series, then paste it right beneath the first 1 to 12 series. So we have two 1 to 12 series, right? Then select the whole data block with Control A, right? Then come over to sort under the data tab and sort by serial number from smallest to largest, meaning we'll have 1 1, then 2 2, then 3 3. So what's going to happen is that, let me just show you, all the spaced all the spaced all the spaced blank all the blank fields at the bottom were now inserted beneath each one. So we have um 1 1, but the second one has a space. We have 2 2, but the second one has a space. And now we can delete this serial number column. So Control Shift down, delete it, and what we are left with is something close to our sample output, except that it doesn't bear, it doesn't have, they don't have borderlines. So if we want to transfer this borderline, the borders format over here, we can use the format painter. So just click on cells that already have borders, then you can double click on the format painter, then apply, use the format painter to apply the borders all the way down. Right, then yeah, I think there's one more. Let me just fill in the last part. Exactly, so we have no, also you could select the cells, then come over here, come over to borders and fill all borders. Yeah, So as you can see, we have the desired output we wish. And okay, that's it for now. That's it for this lesson. Again, I appreciate your feedback. I want to know how I can improve, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Thank you.